Hi everyone, I'm Laura Fuentes from Mamables, and I want to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer. This XL 2-basket air fryer can hold up to 10 quarts of food, so I can make meals for my entire family without back-to-back cooking. Now, we often get home late from my kids' activities, so cooking homemade meals can be a challenge, not to mention the kitchen cleanup of all those pots and pans. This is why I love that this air fryer has 6 functions, which include air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and air broil, providing my family endless meal opportunities that we can enjoy together. When getting started with the air fryer, be sure to utilize the quick start guide, as it is a great resource for looking up food cooking times, functional instructions, or finding delicious recipes to try out. One feature that I use a lot on this air fryer is Match Cook. Match Cook allows you to copy settings across zones for full 10-quart capacity meals, meaning both baskets will automatically use the same setting, cooking time, and temperature while distributing the heat evenly across the baskets. This is great when preparing food for large events, family meals, or meal prepping. To use Match Cook, turn the fryer on by pressing the power button, then divide your food into the 2 baskets, and I'm going to use French fries to show you. The air fryer will default to selecting Zone 1 first. For settings, turn the dial to the cooking function you wish to use. For these fries, I'll be selecting air fry. Next, use the temperature arrows above the zone to select the temperature. Set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time by using the time arrows. For this recipe, the fries will cook for 48 minutes. Times will change depending on if both baskets are being used. To begin cooking both baskets, press the Match Cook button and then push the dial to start. This will automatically sync the settings from Zone 1 to Zone 2. For best results, pause and toss your French fries. To do so, press the center dial to pause cook time and toss your baskets accordingly. I'll be tossing the fries twice for optimal results during the cooking cycle. When cooking is finished, you'll hear a beep and both foods from both zones will be ready to be served together. Now, this is such a great side dish. Plus, it has up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, with the same crispy, delicious result we all love. Another great feature is Smart Finish. The Smart Finish feature allows you to cook 2 different foods 2 different ways and finish at the same time. No more back-to-back cooking or having your proteins get cold while your dishes finish cooking. As you can see, it's so easy to cook a full meal thanks to Smart Finish. Today I'm cooking chicken and asparagus. First, place the protein in the Zone 1 basket. Then, place the veggies in the Zone 2 basket. Press the Zone 1 button on the bottom left and use the dial to scroll through your desired function. For the chicken, I will select air fry. I'm going to adjust the temperature using the temperature arrows and the time using the time arrows. I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and set the time to 30 to 35 minutes. Now press Zone 2 to set your function, time, and temperature. To cook the asparagus, I'm going to choose the air fry function, then set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 18 minutes. Finally, select the Smart Finish above the dial. This will ensure that both zones finish cooking at the same time. And we press the dial to start cooking. Now, the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer will intelligently manage your cooking, holding the start of the shorter cook time so that both zones finish together. The unit will beep and activate the other zone when both zones have the same time remaining. Now, while that's cooking, I can get some things done around the house with the peace of mind a delicious meal is in the works. To pause the timers while tossing baskets, just press the dial once. To resume cooking, click the dial once again. If you wanted to pause just one zone, you can select the zone that you want to pause and then press the center of the dial to pause the cooking. In Smart Finish mode, only selecting one zone will impact a synchronized finish time. When cooking is complete, you'll have a delicious meal ready to enjoy. After each use, cleanup is quick and easy. The crisper plates and baskets can be cleaned with soap and water, while the main unit can be wiped down with a damp cloth if needed. Thanks to the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer, I can create quick, easy meals for my entire family every day. For more information and recipe inspiration, visit ninja-kitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.
Hi everyone, my name is Molly Thompson and today I want to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. It's the first of its kind with 2 independent air fryer baskets. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried foods at a larger capacity, then you need this on your countertop. What I love most about this is the DualZone technology. It has 2 air fryer baskets that each hold 4 quarts, so this full air fryer holds 8 quarts total. This allows you to cook a large amount of the same food as well as cook different foods simultaneously using the same function, temperature, and time. Today I'm going to show you how this Match Cook feature works by making everybody's favorite French fries. You can also find this recipe in the Kickstarter guide that comes with your Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. Start by taking your crisping plates and putting them in both of the baskets. Take your frozen French fries and divide them evenly in between both of the baskets, so 1 pound each. This yields 2 pounds of frozen French fries total. Once you've split your fries into both of the baskets, turn your air fryer on, select basket 1, select air fry, turn the temp to 400 degrees, and then set your time to 32 minutes. Hit the Match Cook function so that it automatically copies over the same temp and time for basket 2 and hit start. We recommend stopping and pausing to shake or toss your food a few times during the air frying process. All you have to do is press the start or pause button at 20 minutes and then again at 10 minutes, and it'll stop both baskets at the same time. When the French fries are done, the unit's going to beep. Have a big bowl ready and then remove the French fries from both baskets. Now how easy was that? Have some of your favorite dipping sauces ready and enjoy a few fries with your friends. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. You can find more information about the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer and more recipes on ninjakitchen.com. Hi everyone, I'm Molly Thompson and today I want to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. This is the first air fryer with 2 independent cooking baskets so you can cook 2 things at the exact same time. I'm a busy new mom and this is a huge time saver for me as I prepare meals for our busy family. This air fryer also offers 6 different cooking functions: air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. Today we are going to be making chicken thighs and Brussels sprouts using the Smart Finish feature. This feature allows you to cook 2 different things at 2 different times and they finish at the same time. So you don't have to wait for your Brussels sprouts or your veggies to cook while your chicken is done, or vice versa. Everything is done at the exact same time. I've got my chicken ready to go. It's marinated in honey, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. And here I have some Brussels sprouts tossed in olive oil and salt and pepper. To begin, we're going to place the marinated chicken in the Zone 1 basket, then place the Brussels sprouts in the Zone 2 basket. Turn the air fryer on and with Zone 1 selected, choose the roast function for the chicken, then set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 27 minutes. Next, select Zone 2 and choose the air fry function for the Brussels sprouts. Set the temp to 400 degrees and then set the time to 20 minutes and choose the Smart Finish function. Once you hit start, the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer is going to intelligently manage your cook times so it delays the start of the shorter cook time so they both finish together. The unit will beep and activate the other zone when both zones have the same amount of cook time left. For the best results, we recommend shaking or tossing your food often. This recipe calls for the Brussels sprouts to be shaken about halfway through, which is about 10 minutes in. To do this, you're going to select the Start or Pause button, and in the Smart Finish mode, it's going to pause both. Remove Zone 2 and give it a really good shake. Place it back in and then hit Start again. To pause an individual zone while you're cooking, choose either 1 or 2, then select the Pause button to pause only that zone. When your food is done cooking, it's time to eat. Being a new mom, life gets kind of crazy, so having something to make dinner easier is awesome. There is nothing like a crispy Brussels sprout from the air fryer, and the chicken is super golden brown and crispy, just the way you want a chicken thigh. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. For more information and other recipes on the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer, head to ninjakitchen.com.